On July 27th, Boeing's Starliner spacecraft tested its Reaction Control System, or RCS, thrusters, preparing for a broader review of its readiness for future missions. This test follows delays during Starliner's June 6th docking with the ISS, caused by helium leaks and thruster issues. The spacecraft's next mission, Starliner 1, is now delayed to August 2025 from an initial early winter 2025 launch, Space.com has reported. Engineers are still addressing the spacecraft's issues, and the current flight crew test has been extended to nearly 55 days in space due to these delays.